Hey, it's Dr. John, and oftentimes there are 3 responses to getting an adjustment. Some patients feel fantastic, noticeable, very quick results. A lot of patients actually feel a little bit better, a little bit worse, or maybe not a whole lot of change. And then there is a category that actually it gets worse before they get better. So you might have an increase in stiffness, soreness, pain. Very similar, if you hadn't done an exercise for a while, you might be a little bit sore for a day or 2 afterwards. Oftentimes with our health, we have to take 1 step backwards to take 2 steps forward. A few things you can do to make sure that you increase healing and mitigate some negative side effects. First thing is water. Also, ice and heat therapy. You can also take some supplements, including vitamin C, calcium, magnesium, and salmon oil. And lastly, you can get some light movement. I suggest going on a walk for 10 to 15 minutes after an adjustment.